Good afternoon, lovely school children. Good afternoon, children.
Good afternoon.
How are you preparing for the harvest? Do you even know the meaning of harvest? You know you don't. It is when we come together in the presence of the Lord to bring our thanks according to what God says in the Bible. Do you now understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
It is a time for Thanksgiving. It is what?
Thanksgiving time.
Thank you very much. How are we preparing for the harvest?
The parochial committee, the harvest committee, and all the old church members, we are ready for the upcoming juvenile harvest.
And the Sunday school teachers and classes are prepared for this coming harvest.
That is good.
On Saturday, 6th of June, we have the program set aside for the children.
That's lovely.
Such activities like bouncing castle, drama, choreography, and so on. We also have lots of food and drink.
Wow!
On Sunday, we have programs set aside like Thanksgiving service, prayer, and all other activities.
Meaning we are going to enjoy ourselves.
Yes, and there will be food as well and a lot of gifts.
That is good.
And the theme of this juvenile harvest is
Harvest of Miraculous Blessings.
Taken from the book of Ephesians chapter 3 verse 20. Now unto him that is able to do more abundantly, more exceeding abundantly, above all that we ask or think, according to the power that makes us.
Mommy, please follow us to see how the classes are prepared.
So it's going to stagger inside. You will freeze there. When you get there, you freeze. So it's going to stagger back. Oh yeah, let's go. Mommy, good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, welcome to class 4, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. So we are actually preparing for our juvenile harvest, and our drama is going to be a very short and interesting movie, and we all are going to love it.
Are they the children presenting the?
Yes, ma'am. They are the children presenting the drama.
Thank you very much. You have done well.
Yes, ma'am.
May the Lord bless you.
Amen. Thank you so much.
Let's go to another class.
Thank you, ma'am.
No, this is the song. That's not how they usually sing it.
You can try to use this one.
No, it's not like that.
Because just use another method.
No.
Like,
This are step down. This is how they used to sing it. It's not like that.
you must at least put an improvement.
No, it's how they usually. Wow, this is lovely. Good afternoon, choristers. Good afternoon. I can see you are getting prepared for the harvest.
Yes, ma'am.
This is good. It's wonderful. Keep it up, please.
For our juvenile harvest, from our Jirimuyama Inn to our Jirimuyama house, we have special songs, very wonderful songs that speak to the spirit, to lift our soul, that will make us happy. And let's look up, let's watch out for the juvenile harvest. You will enjoy it.
Wow, wonderful. It's harvest of miraculous blessings. Thank you.